1xbet promo code to use in Moldova. So to do that, you have to log out from your current 1xbet account. So you click on menu, then you click on settings above, scroll down, and then click on log out of account. After you are logged out, you click on the big green register button above, click on full. In this next section, input all your necessary details correctly. Then country, you have to input Moldova. Automatically your currency changes to Moldovan Leal, and on your promo code section you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After you input the promo code Chelsea TV, 1xbet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 Moldovan Leal, you get 40,000 Moldovan Leal. And then you click on these three boxes.